All right, y'all. So welcome back. It's July 1st. We're gonna go ahead and get our fireworks started tonight. Our local laws are July 1st through July 5th, and the hours are 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. So I'm gonna use every moment I have to light off these fireworks in my neighborhood. What we're looking at right here is the 3D rack that I printed out. I stuffed this with OMG fireworks, Roman candles. I have the magic sticks, the color with reports, the blue thunders, the crackling OMG candles, the whistling OMG candles, and I think that's it. So I think there's 4 different kinds in there. This is the same rack. Well, this is an 18 rack. I had a contest and I gave away 3 12 racks, so they hold 12, right? This one holds 18. But we're gonna go ahead and light this thing off and test it out. And hopefully the other 3 YouTubers that I sent these out to, hopefully they make a video. If they don't, that's cool. I know one person definitely will. Barbecue Rando, shout out to you. Your videos are awesome, and I can't wait to see what you put in your rack. So here we go. Here's mine.